Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today we are going to learn lesson number 10.3. The name of the lesson is Understand the Associative Property. We have learned the associative property of addition in term 1. What was the associative property? So I have told you if it is written 2 plus 3 plus 5, you can start adding these two first, or you can do like this. You can start adding these two first. There will be no change. The answer is going to be same. I will be showing you here. So 3 plus 5 will give you 8. You can write 2 here. Here also you can do 2 plus 3 will be 5 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 8 will give you 10. 5 plus 5 will give you 10. So you can see the answers is coming same. So this associative property we will be applying for the multiplication now. Okay, so let's start here. So you can see there is a question. I want to find out what is 5 times 3 times 2. So it's your wish that you can start with the 5 and 3 first, or you can start with the 3 and 2 first place. Okay, so when I'm doing here, 5 times 3 will be 15, and then copy 2, and 15 times 2 will be equal to 30. If you don't want to do like this, you can do like this. Let us suppose you are thinking that 3 and 2 are a small number. You know the multiplication of this one. So you can start with the 3 times 2 will be 6, and you can copy the 5. 5 times 6 will give you 30. Like this you will be doing all the questions. Okay, so I'm starting with question number 1. I will be doing question number 1, and rest of the question number 2, 3 and 4 you all are going to do. So let's start here. So I have to do this one in two different ways. One way like this, and the second way like this. Let's start. So I will be writing here 4, here 3, here 2. Here you can see the line between 4 and 3. So I will be starting with here. 4 times 3 is 12. I will copy 2. 12 times 2 will be 24. Okay, we will check for this one. Again I will copy the same numbers. 4, 3, 2. Firstly I will do 3 times 2, it will give you 6. I will copy 4. 4 times 6 will be 24. So you can see this 24 and this 24 is same. In the same way you have to do question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. There will be no changes. Okay, put the numbers like this. Again check where the line is there. Firstly multiply that one, copy the other one, and find out the product. Coming back to the word problems, let's start here. It is telling Mrs. Dean makes 2 sandwiches for her 3 children 4 days a week. It means firstly I will check with this one. So there are 3 children. I am making 3 children. Everyone is getting 2 sandwich. Okay, so you can see here if every box has same number, so I will be doing multiply. So firstly in one day I will write in one day number of sandwiches will be equal to how much? It is same. So 2 times 3 will be equal to 6. Now it is telling she is doing for for 3 children in for 4 days. It means I will make 4 boxes. Okay, so you can see here for one day 6, 6, 6, 6. So there are 4 6. So I will be writing total sandwich will be equal to 4 days are there. Every day she is making 6 sandwiches. So altogether it will be 4 times 6 will be 24. Like this you can do. If you don't want to do like this, there is other way. You can directly write 2 times 3 times 4. You can multiply. 2 times 3 will be 6. 6 times 4, and 6 times 4 will be 24. So you can do like this. Either you can write like this or like this. Both are giving you same answers. Next one, it is telling Josh paints 2 paintings in a day each week. So 2 paintings every day. And how many weeks he is going to do? He is going to do for the 7 weeks. So I will write 7. Now I will multiply these two first. So 2, I will copy 7. 2 times 7 will be 14. So total he is going to make 14 paintings. Okay, this one. It is telling that Kandik works 3 hours in a day. For example, let us suppose Rauda is working for 3 hours doing homework every day. Okay, so 3 hours one day. She is doing for 3 days. So 3 hours for 3 days and every week. Now, if she is working for 6 weeks, how much total hours? So I will do 6 here also. So multiply this one. 3 times 3 will be 9. Then I will multiply by 6. 9 times 6 will be 54 hours. And the last one that is telling I want for the 9 week also. So let us suppose Muhammad is doing the same work 3 hours 3 days for the 9 weeks. So I will be writing here 3 times 9. 3 times 3 will give you 9. Copy the 9. 9 times 9 will give you 81. I will write hours. Okay, so I have done this one. It is asking check that whether it is correct or not. 5 times 2 times 4. Can I write 5 times 2 is equal to 10 and 2 times 4 is equal to 8? Then I will multiply these two and I am getting 80. Let's check that this is right or wrong. So as I told you that you in the associative property, it doesn't matter what two numbers you are multiplying. So firstly I am going to multiply 5 times 2. It will give you 10. I will copy the 4. So 10 times 4 will give you 40. You can see it is 40 here, but it is 80. It means it is wrong and the correct answer is 40. Why it is wrong? Because he is writing 2 here double time, 2 times. Here 1 times is written, but it is writing 2 times. So this is why it's wrong. Now it is telling how can you group the factors of 4 times 7 times 10 two different ways. So let's start in the two different ways. And here 4 times 7 times 10. For two different ways, I will multiply these two first. 4 times 7 will be 28. I will multiply by 10. And you know when you are multiplying by 10, you will copy the number and you will write how many zeros are there. So there is 1 0, so I will be writing 1 0. Here I will multiply these two first. 7 times 10 will be 70. Then I will copy 4. Okay. Now I know that 70 can be written 7 tens. In the 10.1 we have learned about this one. Then I can write 4. 4 times 7 again you can do 28. And the tens there will be 1 0. So answer is 280. In this way we have done in two different ways. I hope you all have understood. If there is any problem you can write me comment. I will be trying to help you out. Okay. Thank you everyone.